Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to see who's logged into your Roblox account. So firstly, we'll open our browser and in the search panel, we'll type Roblox, then open the Google search. After that, the Roblox website will appear as a search option. You have to left click on it. Let the website load first. After the website loads, make sure that you're logged in with your ID. And after making sure of that, you have to head to the gear icon on the top right hand side. Then click on the settings button. After that, you have to go to the security tab. From here, you have to scroll down until you find where you're logged in option. In here, you will see all the sessions your account is logged in from. So this is the session that I am currently using, and these are all the other sessions that are logged in. By clicking on any of these logins, you can have the full details in here, the last active time as well, and you can also log any session out at any moment. So this is how you can see who is logged into your account.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.